Did you know that by 2025, the global data science industry is expected to grow beyond $300 billion? With AI, automation, and big data evolving at lightning speed, the way we analyze and use data is transforming everything, from healthcare and finance to marketing and cybersecurity. But what's next? And how can you prepare? Stay tuned as we uncover the biggest trends shaping data science in 2025. Welcome back to the channel. If you're excited about the future of data science, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the key innovations and trends that will reshape how we collect, analyze, and apply data. Whether you're a data scientist, business leader, or just curious about the power of data, this video will help you stay ahead. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights into AI, data science, and emerging tech. Now, let's dive in. Artificial intelligence and machine learning aren't just tools anymore, they're the foundation of modern data science. By 2025, automated machine learning, AutoML, will dominate, making AI more accessible than ever. Generative AI models like ChatGPT will continue revolutionizing natural language processing, NLP. Edge AI and real-time ML will allow instant data processing without cloud dependency. AI-powered healthcare is already predicting diseases before symptoms appear. Just imagine what's next. What does this mean for you? If you're in data science, understanding AI is now a must, not an option. Imagine a world where data talks to us like a human. That's where NLP is headed. AI models will interpret text, voice, and even emotions with greater accuracy. AI-powered chatbots will become indistinguishable from real human interaction. Companies will automate customer service, content creation, and business analysis using NLP-driven insights. In 2025, AI will be writing entire research papers, coding websites, and even debating politics, without us realizing it. What does this mean for you? Learning NLP will be a game-changer for career growth in AI and data science. Data is growing faster than ever, and in 2025, we'll be dealing with 175 zettabytes of data worldwide. That's like downloading the entire Netflix catalog every second. Cloud computing and serverless architectures will become the backbone of data processing. Data lakes and real-time analytics will become standard in businesses. Quantum computing may disrupt how we process massive datasets. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are investing billions in cloud-based AI. If you're in data science, cloud skills are now essential. What does this mean for you? Mastering cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure will future-proof your career. AI is evolving fast, but so are ethical concerns. AI bias remains a major issue, leading to discrimination in hiring, healthcare, and finance. New regulations will force companies to make AI transparent and explainable. Ethical AI frameworks will become as important as the technology itself. Companies like Google and Microsoft are already being sued for AI bias in hiring systems. In 2025, we'll see AI regulations as strict as financial laws. What does this mean for you? Understanding AI ethics isn't just a moral obligation, it's a skill that will set you apart. One thing is certain, data science jobs aren't going anywhere, they're just evolving. AI and automation will eliminate repetitive tasks, but create high-demand roles in AI strategy, deep learning, and data security. The rise of AutoML means data scientists will focus more on AI strategy and decision-making rather than just coding. Interdisciplinary skills, combining data science with business, psychology, and design, will be highly valuable. Harvard predicts a 35% increase in AI-related job openings by 2025. What does this mean for you? Start upskilling now in AI, ML, and cloud computing to stay competitive. Now, here's the biggest prediction of them all: AI won't replace data scientists, but data scientists who use AI will replace those who don't. Automation is coming, and those who embrace AI will thrive. Those who don't? They'll fall behind. Final advice? Start experimenting with AutoML, cloud computing, and responsible AI frameworks now. Data science is evolving fast. To stay ahead in 2025, learn AI and ML, automation is here. Master cloud computing, data is bigger than ever. Focus on AI ethics, transparency is the future. The question is, will you be ready? Now I want to hear from you. What's the most exciting data science trend of 2025? Drop a comment below. Want to dive deeper? Watch my next video on AI rookie mistakes to avoid. And if you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future tech deep dives. See you in the next one.